Hey guys, thanks for watching. This video here, I want to show you guys what happens when the DJI Air 2S drone goes out of range. So I'm going to fly this guy out. We're in Arcadia, California right here, flying out from Santa Anita Park, and we're going to fly it over past the racetrack, flying it towards the mall, and we're going to see what happens when you lose reception. So a lot of people are worried about this stuff when you lose reception with the drone. It's obviously very expensive. Is it just going to fall out of the air? Are you going to lose it? Is it going to land? What happens? So I'm going to show you guys what happens. I'm going to go completely out of range. I'm going to push it as far as I can until I can no longer connect with the drone, and we're going to see what happens here. So here I am going past the racetrack. We're going through the parking lot, and we're trying to get to the mall. I'm going to keep pushing it further, 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 trying to get there. Here we are over the parking lot of the racetrack, and it's getting pretty close. We're almost there. Almost there, but then right about here we completely lose reception. And as you can see, it just stops. It's hovering. Then it all by itself, it turns around and it goes back to the height that I set it at for the return to home distance. And it's going to come back completely by itself. So even though I don't have connection with the drone, it knows where to go and it knows to come back, which is really cool. So you don't have to worry about getting out of range or what's going to happen with your drone. You can feel safe that it's going to return back to you even if you lose reception. So really cool, really awesome feature by DJI on the Air 2S. And watch it return to home now. Thanks for watching, guys.